looking for some glue.
I know, but how much you want?
I already got 100.
There we go. That's it. Let's get it. Hey. He's got a tough competitor though, because that car's fast. Here we go.
At the XTREME?
Yeah. I got it there. That bitch spent a little bit. Yeah.
Did he blow his motor or what?
Oh, that was good. It was a good race too.
Yo, did he blow his motor?
Oh, that's me.
Hey, that smoke didn't look too good.
Look like I'm finna need a tow truck.
Something. Hopefully it's a transmission line.
No.
Cause if that was the engine, bro, that shit didn't look too good.
I done messed it up, y'all. Man, let me see my time slip. Oh, transmission. I won, but I done lost. Man. That mother went through all the gears and broke. This thing messed up. I think it might be a line or something, right? I need some milk. Was it leaking, man? Oh, I probably did. Is that me? Ooh. Yeah, man, you done made me blow my shit up, bro. Oh, you seen some smoke?
I look, it smoked right like half track. It started smoking half track, but you stayed in it.
Oh, I ain't see no smoke, man.
That's why I thought you was sprayed. Cause they always got a power boost right there, then it blew up. That's why I was like, what the fuck?
Man, hell nah. So I messed up the track.
Yeah, most likely.
I got his ass. And then I seen your shit shift. I was like, oh. And then my shit shift. I was like, yeah, there it go.
I seen your shit when you hit that third.
Yeah, boom. I said, yeah. I said, yeah, I was like, I was coming around that return road. I was trying to give it some gas.
You know it blew up?
I still didn't know it blew up. I ain't know it blew up till right here. Hell, I was trying to go.
You started smoking right there.
God damn. I ain't know.
It blew up while we was racing. You still was racing. You won. I said, oh, he blew up. He said, fuck this.
You ain't see no smoke coming inside?
I ain't no smoke come on the inside, nothing. I ain't see no smoke on the inside till after the race. I was thinking, damn, that burnout smoke still lingering around in this motherfucker. Let me roll the window down. Yeah, that's me. Man, y'all got a flashlight. They want to look under there, man. Man, I'm all up under here. Wet up under here, man. What you see, man? Dripping and leaking. What you think? Nah.
You done fucked it up yourself.
Look. Oh, my little line, man. Done pop that, I knew it. Pop it in, man. Make it not come out no more. Man, I don't like this. See if that one, I thought it was this. I thought this the one that gave me a hard time when I was putting the radiator in. I thought this one was the one that popped that. I was like, dang, man, it was giving me a hard time. And it's this one. Hell, I thought, yeah, I did good on this one. I thought it popped right in good. Man, come on, bro. Matter of fact, Can I just run me? I want an external cooler, man. Hey, can I just run me an external cooler? Can I just run me an external cooler, man? I don't like that. I don't like that because I don't even know why it popped out. I drove it all the way from Houston just like this. I mean, it was in, but just imagine I'd have drove to Houston, made 3, 4, 5 passes at the track, and then it popped out. So what is that? I don't know. I don't want no situation like that no more. I need a cooler, man. Where you gonna put? I thought this was a cooler. So what it need this for then? Why I need 2 coolers? You think I need 2 coolers, man? They put it on here for a reason, so I don't know, man. I just sure hate it being like that, man. I don't need that situation no more. This thing got 2 coolers. I don't think I need this one though, fool. I think man.
You wanna cancel them?
I don't know yet. I don't want to say, yeah, cancel that.
Just put a bigger one and cancel them.
A bigger one right here? Yeah, that is a good idea. A bigger one and cancel this. Yeah, I'm gonna call my partner and see if that's a good idea. Get on my little phone. I can't believe this thing that came in, man. Damn, I can't. I got transmission fluid everywhere. Pipes all dirty. Oh, it got all back here. I'm finna make some modifications, y'all. I'm gonna hit you right back. Look out. That's where the drain, the plug is to put the oil in. Okay, you gotta pump it in, man. Yeah, you know he's short. Bring it down, son. Man. This one look like it's buzzed out at the top, but hell, you can barely tell. Hell, I ain't put them on there, so you know I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. They on there now, y'all. They all the way on there. I ain't gotta worry about that problem. I was finna do all that cooler delete, but nah, it ain't coming back out. Now I just didn't have them on. I ain't know no better. When you put the radiator on, you need to slide these clips back on. That's what's stopping from bagging back off. Go get the transmission fluid. I'll be back. Got my boy back in the house, man. You still got that square? You get pumped up. I should have got me some Lucas. You like Lucas? What are you talking about? Yeah? What's this? What you gonna do with that? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. We ain't had a proper friction.
No.
See, no? Más gris. Come on, let's stole this Kelly converter, man. They ain't get it all the way. They ain't get it all the way. No, they ain't get it. Damn. Dang, man, we already on bottle number 2 and it still ain't came out. They say on these, once it start overflowing, then it's full. Oh, there it go. Oh, it's full?
You need to turn it on so it can suck the...
So I can bring it down?
Yeah.
Want your cartoon, Ace's Performance. Everybody be asking me who tuned my car all the time. Alright, go ahead and just get settled in. He's ready now. Locking this whole deal. He asked me, do I want to test drive? Nah, it's going in the bed. He insists that I go around this block and go see if it's shielding. Trash control was on. To the shop we go.
Yeah, I said, bitch, at the XTREME.
Yeah.
That bitch got up there. Yeah.